I visited Tianjin, China, and filmed the city's largest rural market. The market is incredibly cheap and brimming with the vibrant atmosphere of everyday life. Here, you'll find fresh fruits, authentic snacks, and genuine folk customs. This is what life should be like. First, I saw a stall making Malatang, a type of spicy hot pot. The scene was truly impressive, with over a dozen people busily working. It could accommodate hundreds of people at once. Malatang originated in Sichuan and is now a famous national snack. Its core characteristics are numbing, spicy, fresh, fragrant, and hot. Customers select their own ingredients, which are then cooked in a large pot, while the broth is prepared according to personal preference. The atmosphere is incredibly lively. A serving of Malatang costs 12 RMB, and you can also add fish balls and meat skewers for 1 or 2 RMB each. The ingredients chosen by diners are stewed together in a large pot. This steaming, hot, nutritious Sichuan-style spicy hot pot includes both meat and vegetables, with 2 broth options: beef tallow or clear oil. A spoonful of spicy broth is poured over the cooked ingredients, creating a rich and aromatic flavor. Customers can also add sesame paste, garlic juice, sesame oil, cilantro, and scallions to taste. A bowl of steaming hot pot is incredibly appetizing. The broth is made by simmering pork bones for 5 to 6 hours, resulting in a spicy aroma that fills the entire street. The secret to its nationwide popularity is the freedom to customize ingredients and flavors, making it suitable for solo dining or sharing. In northern China, hot pot is often served with steamed buns or twisted rolls. The Malatang preparation scene is truly impressive, accommodating hundreds of people simultaneously. At another stall, the owner was preparing sizzling duck, roasting marinated duck meat in an oven until fully cooked. The rosy, glossy grilled duck looked mouth-watering. It's a popular street food, so fragrant it practically drips with oil. The roasted duck is pressed with an iron plate to remove excess fat, then chopped into even pieces and sprinkled with cumin powder, chili powder, and chopped green onions. The result is crispy skin with tender, juicy meat. A grilled duck costs 20 RMB. Another stall was making hanging oven meat pies on site. Hanging oven meat pies are a classic old-fashioned folk snack from northern China, and a very popular delicacy at rural and morning markets. The filling is made with pure pork and green onions. Fermented dough is rolled into a flat pie shape, filled with the meat mixture, and placed into a special old-fashioned hanging oven. It is baked over charcoal at a constant temperature from both sides until the bottom becomes golden brown and crispy. Then it's flipped over and baked again until both sides are perfectly crisp. The oven-baked flatbread is savory and flavorful, with a rich meaty aroma and a smoky, caramelized scent from the charcoal baking. Its thin crust and juicy filling make it a traditional, down-to-earth, home-style delicacy, a must-try at any market, embodying the warmth of everyday life. The oven-baked meat pie costs 4 RMB. Next, a stall was making roasted pork sandwiches. Slices of pork tenderloin were stacked into a cylindrical shape and roasted layer by layer in a rotating oven, giving the meat a charred texture. The roasted meat was then mixed with cabbage, chili sauce, cumin, chili powder, and other seasonings. The flatbread was sliced open and filled with the flavorful roasted meat mixture, creating a rich and savory sandwich. A roasted pork sandwich costs 8 RMB. Another stall's meat pies were extremely popular with locals, with queues stretching from morning until night. Tienjin-style meat pies are made by fermenting wheat flour and rolling it into flatbread dough. The filling mainly consists of pork and scallions. The pies are pan-fried until both sides turn golden brown and crispy, producing a fragrant aroma of both bread and meat. These meat pies are substantial and filling, with a satisfying crispness and rich meat flavor. Handmade using traditional methods, these delicious home-style meat pies cost 4 RMB each. The owner of another stall was making mushroom and pork rice on site. The aroma filled the entire street the moment the lid was lifted. A pot full of mushroom and pork rice looked incredibly mouth-watering. One bowl cost 10 RMB. Nearby, volunteers were providing free haircuts to elderly people in the community. The entire market was filled with a lively and warm atmosphere. Another stall's traditional meat patties were very popular with locals. The filling mainly consisted of pork and scallions, with each meat patty containing about 250 grams of minced pork. The secret to these patties is their paper-thin crust and juicy filling. With 250 grams of filling and 250 grams of dough, each meat patty weighs a hefty 500 grams. The patties are pan-fried in a small amount of oil until both sides are lightly browned. This method creates a crispy exterior, tender interior, and juicy flavor bursting with every bite. One meat patty costs 18 RMB. The roasted chicken at another stall sizzled with oil, its reddish-brown color making it incredibly tempting. The roasted chicken legs were simply seasoned with cumin and chili powder. One roasted chicken leg costs 8 RMB. Freshly cooked sticky corn costs 3 RMB. Another stall was making fried meatballs on site. These meatballs are mainly filled with radish. Finely shredded white radish and carrot are mixed with chopped green onion, minced ginger, salt, and 5-spice powder, then combined with egg and wheat flour to form a paste. Oil is heated to medium temperature, and the mixture is squeezed into small round balls and fried slowly. First, they are fried over low heat until fully cooked and set. Then they are fried again over high heat to remove excess oil until golden brown and crispy. The finished meatballs have a crispy, fragrant exterior and a fluffy interior, with the sweetness of radish and a savory flavor that isn't greasy at all. Fried meatballs cost 20 RMB per kilogram. This stall also sold cold dishes and braised foods, their vibrant red color looking especially appetizing. A young, handsome vendor was preparing them on site. Mixed chicken frame is a popular street food in northeast China and can be found in markets all over the country. It's affordable, filling, and incredibly addictive. First, the braised and smoked chicken frame is torn into small pieces, then seasoned with chili oil, aged vinegar, sugar, light soy sauce, sesame oil, cumin seeds, chili powder, minced garlic, and other seasonings. The classic sweet and sour flavor is slightly numbing and spicy, balanced with a savory undertone. One bite tastes incredible. One mixed chicken frame costs 9 RMB. Another stall was making fried cakes. Tianjin fried cakes are one of the city's 3 specialties and are considered a century-old intangible cultural heritage. They're crispy on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside, sweet and juicy. This classic Tianjin snack has been enjoyed since childhood by generations of locals. The process begins by grinding glutinous rice into a paste and fermenting it. The fermented rice dough is then kneaded, filled with red bean paste, and fried until both sides become golden brown and crispy. The result is a crunchy outer layer with a soft and chewy interior and a sweet filling. Each fried cake costs 3 RMB. Tianjin locals love meat, and various braised dishes are extremely popular. Braised pig's head meat costs 40 RMB per kilogram. At another stall, a couple was making meat and egg burgers, also known as egg burgers. These are popular and affordable snacks commonly found at markets, morning markets, and school entrances across China. Many people even call them Chinese burgers. The preparation process is fairly complex. First, eggs are placed into molds to set and are fried until cooked. The cooked eggs are coated in batter and filled with meat filling, with options including beef, pork, or chicken. Another layer of batter is poured on top, thoroughly combining the egg and meat filling together. A layer of cooking oil is brushed over the surface, and one side is fried until golden brown. The burger is then flipped and fried again until both sides are crispy and golden. This method creates a rich and satisfying meat and egg burger, with a tender, juicy, and flavorful filling. The burger is soft and slightly runny, with the aroma of eggs perfectly blended with the fragrance of meat. It's fragrant but not greasy, with a slightly crispy outer layer and a soft, chewy interior. Customers can choose from different sauces, including sweet bean sauce, garlic sauce, and black pepper sauce. Finally, it's sprinkled with cumin powder and chili powder. The meat and egg burger costs 5 RMB. In Tianjin, various fried skewers are very popular. This stall is making fried skewers on site, offering 70 or 80 kinds for customers to choose from. The skewers cost 40 RMB per kilogram. The chosen skewers are then deep fried in hot oil. The quality of the fried skewers depends on the oil temperature and the control of the heat. Each ingredient requires a different frying time. The owner cuts the selected ingredients into small pieces for easier cooking and better flavor absorption. The fried meat is then scooped out, revealing a golden brown, crispy exterior. Sprinkled with cumin powder and chili powder for simple seasoning, the fried skewers become crispy on the outside and tender and juicy on the inside. Each skewer looks incredibly appetizing, enough to make countless mouths water. This stall is making Jian guozi on site. What you see now is purple rice flour Jian guozi. The purple rice flour batter is spread out, an egg is cracked in, and after the egg sets, black sesame seeds are sprinkled on top before flipping. Tienjin Jian guozi sauce mainly consists of sweet bean sauce, fermented bean curd sauce, scallions, sesame seeds, chili oil, and more. Various vegetables can also be added according to the customer's taste. The crispy garnish added at the end is the soul of Tianjin Jian guozi. It makes the Jian guozi golden, crispy, and incredibly fragrant. Jian guozi costs 9 RMB per serving. At this stall, 3 beautiful women are making cornmeal dumplings on site. Northeastern cornmeal dumplings are a classic coarse-grained dish, commonly found at rural markets in northeast China. Cornmeal flour is mixed with wheat flour and kneaded with warm water. The dough is then rolled into wrappers. Northeastern steamed dumplings are known for their large fillings and thin skins. The filling is mainly northeastern sauerkraut, while the current batch is filled with fennel and pork. The dumplings are steamed over high heat for 15 minutes after the water boils. Then the heat is turned off and they are left to sit for 2 minutes. The finished dumplings are golden, translucent, fluffy, and firm. Cornmeal steamed dumplings cost 2 RMB each. These dumplings are fragrant, moderately salty, substantial, and filling. They are fragrant without being greasy and become more flavorful with every bite. Now we see a stall making Guizhou glutinous rice. Guizhou glutinous rice is considered the king of Guizhou street breakfasts, representing the soul of glutinous rice dishes. It's soft, sticky, and rich in flavor, with that unique combination of sour, spicy, salty, and crispy texture. It's a truly delicious food, deeply ingrained in the culture of Guizhou people. You can add various side dishes according to your taste, mainly pickled radish, pickled cowpeas, kelp strips, potato strips, and crispy pork cracklings. A layer of glutinous rice goes at the bottom of the bowl, then the side dishes in the middle, and another layer of glutinous rice on top. It looks really substantial and filling, with every grain of glutinous rice remaining distinct, savory, and just a little bit sweet. Even after cooling, it doesn't harden. The fragrant, flavorful glutinous rice, mixed with all those side dishes, creates a dish that's crispy, refreshing, spicy, and rich. A serving costs 12 RMB. The stall owner is also making bamboo rice on site. Bamboo rice is a traditional delicacy of ethnic minorities in southern China, made using fresh, tender bamboo as a natural cooking vessel. The glutinous rice absorbs the bamboo aroma, becoming soft, sticky, and naturally sweet. Bamboo rice is actually pretty simple to make. The glutinous rice is steamed inside a bamboo tube, and depending on your taste, it can also be coated with white sugar, making it a soft, chewy, and flavorful snack. Bamboo rice costs 4 RMB each. Besides bamboo rice, millet cake is also very popular. Millet cake costs 18 RMB per kilogram. The entire market is filled with the lively atmosphere of a bustling marketplace packed with all kinds of street foods that whet the appetite. It's truly a foodie's paradise. Follow my video to explore this vibrant rural market and experience the joy that food brings. Thank you for watching. The next episode will be even more exciting.